welcome back to the vlog. If you're new here, my name is Bree. This vlog is pretty much everything I did over break. I'm not on break anymore. I'm in school again, but I went to a lot of cool places and I filmed them all for you. I can't believe it's near the end of the year, which is very crazy. Really quickly, I want to show you something. I painted a new hat. Do you like it? That was pretty fun. That's what I did like right before this. Thank you so much for watching and I hope you enjoy. He looks like Max. Oh my gosh. Ah! Hi guys, we're going to the beach, but I'm eating right now because I have to eat fast because it's so spontaneous. This is my outfit. My room is so messy. I usually take Sunday to clean my room, but today we're going out, so.
What do you say? I said I'll never lead you astray. Babe, while you're away, I said my heartache grows every day. All I say, and you no quieres estar conmigo, conmigo. All I sé que es lo que quiero, estar contigo.
Is there any mochi? Bro.
So, once long ago, you said you loved me, my heart will grow. Babe, just so you know, I'm still waiting, can't let you go. All I say, and you no quieres estar conmigo, conmigo. All I say es lo que so, I like the way that you laugh. I like the way that you say my name, but I'm not your son. You know you're something. Baby, if you want, I can give you all my love. Yeah, baby, if you want, I can give you all my love. Yes, there's so many things that I wanna tell you about it now. You're so cool. There's so many things that I wanna tell you about it now. You're so cool. So I know I'm not the best. There's probably someone out there that will love you better than I do. Baby, tell me the things that I to get you high. There's so many things that I wanna tell you about it now. You're so cool.
Oh my god.
So many things that I wanna tell you about it now.
I feel like animal.
I'm not doing that. $100. Why would you do that to me? That was stupid. Where are we walking? I'm trying to film. Whoa. Oh, that's so cool. Thanks. It's so hot right now. It's 100 degrees. Camera.
What the dog doing?
Look, is that a Barbie truck? Oh my gosh, stop. That's a Barbie truck. Whoa, it's expensive. I'm in this toy store. What's that? That's One Piece.
What the dog doing?
Study rooms. Is that Turbo the best movie to ever exist? What is he doing here? No, look, this is why I came in here, because it's coming. Hi. It's so busy and everything smells super good, like all the food. I saw Ponyo in that theater for my birthday. We've been trying to find ice cream for like the past 30 minutes. Wait, are these macarons? It's not ice cream. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a great day and I'll see you next time. Bye!